How to send files on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer and send files on MX Player. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to MX Player. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines here in the top. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the fourth option, file transfer, and click on it like this. Now all what you have to do is do this to send a file easily and fast, and it will take you directly to your files, and then choose the file that you want to send, for example a music or anything you want to send. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.